The Home Minister, in fact, has hit back at Revanth Reddy's contentions on BJP ending reservations. A purportedly fake video of Shah had also been circulated, and the Home Minister has ended the speculation, says the BJP has no such intention, and if it did, it would have happened already.
राहुल गांधी निराधार झूठ बोलकर लोगों को गुमराह करने का काम कर रहे हैं, बल्कि नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने पूरे देश के दलित, पिछड़े और आदिवासी भाई बहनों को गारंटी दी है, जब तक भारतीय जनता पार्टी है आरक्षण को कोई हाथ नहीं लगा सकता। मैं आज देश की जनता को कहना चाहता हूं कि कांग्रेस पार्टी ने हमेशा एससी, एसटी और ओबीसी के आरक्षण पर हमले किए हैं। जामिया मिलिया और अलीगढ़ यूनिवर्सिटी में भी आज भी एससी, एसटी, ओबीसी आरक्षण से महरूम है। इसका एकमात्र कारण कांग्रेस की एससी, एसटी, ओबीसी नीति है।
Let me go across to Rishabh, my colleague, joining us with more. That's how the Home Minister has turned it around on the Congress party, saying that these are nothing but baseless allegations being leveled by the Congress party, that there is no intention of the government of the day to end reservations for the backward classes, something which was raised by Revanth Reddy as well very recently, while, he went ahead and took that sly jibe at the Prime Minister.
Well, definitely, Home Minister Amit Shah is responding to the allegations that have been made by Congress leaders, including Rahul Gandhi, Revanth Reddy and others, that BJP is against reservation. Home Minister coming out and saying that we are not. If we would have to bring in changes to reservation policy, we would have bought it by now. We have had two successive majority governments, the second one having a brute majority for that matter, but we never touched the reservation for sure. On the other hand, Congress, be it in Karnataka or Telangana, have brought in the minority quota of 4%, and the Home Minister alleges that this quota has been brought out of the OBC share. Apart from that, he also mentioned that how be it Jamia Millia Islamia or Aligarh Muslim University, the two central minority universities do not have quota for OBC, SCs and STs. That's correct. That as per the 1989 Jamia Act, through which the Jamia Millia Islamia Central University is governed, it gives quota to the minority community and not the SC, ST. So since these two institutions have been governed by the Minority University Acts of 1989, and that's the reason that none of the reservation, the national reservation, do apply there. And now BJP is alleging that Congress is behind these universities and no quota for OBCs and SCs there as well. So remains to be seen how things unfold. But for now, BJP coming down heavily on the allegations made by Congress party, calling it baseless. But Congress going ahead and talking about a reservation at various places in the elections where the two phases are done.
Fact-checking the Congress party, in fact, reminding the Congress in Karnataka of, the Muslim quota, which is, in fact, which the BJP says, of course, has been taken away from the share of the OBCs, and that allegation continues to be reiterated by several BJP leaders. Here's how the Home Minister responded to what was said by Revanth Reddy and a host of other Congress netas as well, as far as that video on social media is concerned, to which the Home Minister has now put a full stop. Listen in.
राहुल गांधी निराधार झूठ बोलकर लोगों को गुमराह करने का काम कर रहे हैं, बल्कि नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने पूरे देश के दलित, पिछड़े और आदिवासी भाई बहनों को गारंटी दी है, जब तक भारतीय जनता पार्टी है आरक्षण को कोई हाथ नहीं लगा सकता। मैं आज देश की जनता को कहना चाहता हूं कि कांग्रेस पार्टी ने हमेशा एससी, एसटी और ओबीसी के आरक्षण पर हमले किए हैं। जामिया मिलिया और अलीगढ़ यूनिवर्सिटी में भी आज भी एससी, एसटी, ओबीसी आरक्षण से महरूम है। इसका एकमात्र कारण कांग्रेस की एससी, एसटी, ओबीसी नीति है।
Well, in Karnataka, Rishabh, the Muslims have been categorized under the OBC category, and that is something that has been picked on by the BJP time and again. And the BJP today asks, in what position does the Congress today find itself in to raise these questions with the BJP, while the central government's intentions with regards to reservations have been absolutely crystal clear since day one?
Well, definitely. As per Congress, the state has the right to decide which community or which caste comes under OBC. There are certain castes which comes under general category here in New Delhi will have an OBC tag in the state of Bihar or Jharkhand, or for that matter, a caste that would be general in Gujarat will have a general tag in Maharashtra. This is what the Congress, counter attack is, and in Karnataka, where a 4% minority quota has been given under the reservation, the Congress say that it is an affirmative action and should not be seen through the communal lens, is what the Siddaramaiah government has been saying, contesting the claims being made by BJP, while BJP is aggressive, saying that this is nothing but a vote bank politics, nothing else.
Okay, many thanks, Rishabh, for putting that entire story in perspective for us. We'll keep tracking the host of reactions trickling in slowly.